think the biggest thing that we can do this season is CAF. But ke angifuni ukuthi siyibuke because it's easy to just be deceived ngaleyo nto leyo because Sundowns has done well. But I'm looking to see us going far with CAF. We may not take it this season, but let's go far. You know, because mawuzo ibuka ngehlo lokuthi Sundowns ithathe so that we can take it. Exactly, you know, and you will be so disappointed to judge to coach ngesizini kanjalo. Leyo nto leyo izogcina affecta ama domestic tournaments. And we still have to defend those tournaments and do well with CAF. That's my approach to this thing.
Tripoli ithatha futhi naye khona zoyithola.
Yeah, I'm looking to take every trophy that I played. Yeah, it's been proven. It's been proven over the years. That's why I'm talking about 4 MTN 8. If I take MTN 8 this season, which is the first cup of the tournament to take, of the season to take, that would mean that MTN 8 has to build a new cup. Because sekuyami nginikeze the original khathela amakhopi mina. So we're playing for a big thing, and I'm happy ukuthi you are part of the tournament, but yazi lapho angifuni ukuthi athi hayi ngoba besigekho.